Hello, I'm Jennifer Davenport, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to make a faux brick wall. As you know from our last video, we are moving to a new location. Scott and I are both in the middle of our own DIY projects, but before I get started, I wanna give a shout out to a sweetheart. Joanne Adams visited us from Chicago, stopped in our old store to see us. She was a sweetheart, and I just wanna say thank you. So Scott and Josh put this brick paneling up, and the first thing that I want to do to begin this layering process of making it look old is I want to add a little black, watered down black paint to this so that so much red doesn't pull through and it looks old. Okay, so I actually just had some sample paint. This color is called wrought iron, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in this bowl, and you don't need a lot of it to start off with because I want to water this down. And so I'll take a little bit of water, add to that, and then I'm just gonna use this old nail and stir it up, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna put it on the wall. Make sure you dampen your rag a little bit, and so I'm just gonna dip it in the black and just kind of touch it here and there, and then take my rag and just go back and forth. You're making an old brick wall. This does not have to be perfect. You're just adding a little bit of black underneath. That's it. So now that I have completed the whole wall of doing the whitewash treatment with black paint, and it dried super quick because it's watered down, I'm ready for the second layer, and that is I'm going to use roll-on texture. Now, when I used to do this before, I chose the smooth roll-on texture. This time, I chose the roll-on texture that actually has sand in it because I want it to look old, and I love the idea of the grit showing through. So, I just put a little bit in, and I roll, just any type of roller, just does not matter. And you want to do a section, I probably would do about a 3-foot section at a time. And it doesn't matter if you get more on one, less on the other, it just doesn't matter. So let me, okay, here's the fun part. So I just use a plastic smoothing tool. The trick is we're gonna scrape it off, but you wanna push pretty hard on it, and watch what it does. Here we go. You'll get excess, so I just put it on the side, and I keep going. Look how cool that looks. Last step is pre-mixed stucco repair. Super heavy, super gritty, and this just turned out so good. Doing that black whitewash toned down that red and kept this from looking so fake. So we're gonna start putting this on the wall. There'll be no major pattern. Again, we're making it look old, and we're just gonna apply it in certain areas, some more in others, and some less. stand back and look at your work. If you feel like you've got more of the stucco in one area than the other, and it bothers you, doesn't matter. Go back up there and slap some more up. Because we're making old brick, there's no pattern, and that's what makes this project so super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Listen, don't be intimidated by this project. I promise it is super easy, and you're making an old brick wall, you can't mess it up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because Christmas videos are on the way and you don't want to miss those. Everybody, stay safe and stay well.